In a cluttered basement-turned-makeshift hacker room, 4 teenagers huddle around glowing computer screens, their faces illuminated by lines of scrolling code. Anna, the determined leader, focuses intently, her voice tight with anticipation. Okay, almost there. Just need to bypass this firewall. Ben offers a backup plan, his fingers flying across the keyboard. I've got a backdoor ready if that fails. Chloe and Sam contribute their expertise, the air thick with nervous energy as they coordinate their breach of the CIA's security. Inside the CIA Situation Room, red lights pulse ominously as high-ranking officials gather, their faces grim under the harsh fluorescent lights. Director Hayes, stern and composed, watches the large screen displaying the security breach alert, his expression hardening with each passing second. Agent Miller's voice cuts through the controlled chaos. Reporting, we have a breach, sir. Unidentified source. They're accessing sensitive data. Director Hayes' command echoes through the room, a sharp order amidst the alarms. Find them. Shut it down. Now, this is a national security threat. The room is a hive of focused activity, each agent scrambling to respond as the digital siege unfolds, threatening national security. In a dimly lit hacker room, CIA agents encircle the young tech wizards, guns raised, their faces grim in the flickering screen light. Director Hayes confronts them, his expression a mask of anger and disbelief. Anna steps forward, her voice trembling slightly. We didn't mean any harm. We just wanted to show you the vulnerability. This flash drive contains a detailed report on how to fix it. Hayes softens slightly, a glimmer of hope amidst the tension. You kids have caused a lot of trouble. But maybe, just maybe, you can help us fix it.